nice looking shot down here, or actually up here, I should say, in Paris this morning. But there are those clouds already beginning to drift into the state. This, believe it or not, is moisture that's being pulled up well in advance of Hurricane Beryl that made landfall early this morning down in Texas. For us, though, no rain yet. All right, rain way to the southwest of us. We're into the upper 60s and low 70s in a lot of locales now. 70 Jackson and Somerset, and also in Campbellsville. There are those clouds drifting in. Yep, some breaks here or there in the clouds, but predominantly it's looking more and more likely that today may end up being a mostly cloudy day. And if that happens, I think that could actually keep a lot of us in the upper 80s for highs at best. We'll take that too. The area of showers that was down in West Tennessee starting to fizzle out as expected. So today, yep, there could be an isolated shower or two, but primarily not any widespread rain expected. Partly to mostly cloudy, though. We go from the 70s and eventually upper 80s to low 90s. If we can thin out the clouds enough, low 90s are definitely likely. If not, it's likely an upper 80 to near 90 degree type of day. Still bad enough, right? Here is the latest on Hurricane Beryl. Category 1 storm. Center of circulation still just to the west, southwest of Houston. Forecast track tomorrow afternoon. Expected to be near Little Rock, Arkansas. Center of circulation by Wednesday afternoon up near Indianapolis, and then by the wee hours of Thursday morning up near Detroit. So what that means for us, though, for today, as I mentioned, moisture already being drawn up to the north here by Beryl, leading to more clouds for us and a spotty shower. Tomorrow, though, we work our way into Tuesday afternoon. Front to the north, moisture being drawn north by Beryl, scattered downpours for us. But on the north and northwest side, closer to the track, is where the greatest concentration of heavier, widespread rain will be, that soaking rainfall. It looked like a few days ago on Saturday that track was going to be further south across Kentucky, and that would bring us better rain. But tomorrow we could be looking at a few strong thunderstorms, any of those that do develop. Maybe an isolated shower today. Most are dry, hot and humid. Upper 80s, low 90s. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Could see a stray shower out there. Mainly dry, though. Tomorrow, scattered storms, some strong or severe. And then some scattered showers of storms still left on Wednesday. But I'm thinking that by Wednesday, honestly, that most of the rain may actually be north of us. Thursday, drier, and then heating right back up and getting steamy as we go into the upcoming weekend.